How to enable Cash App card when disabled. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly enable your Cash App card if it was disabled. So in the case if you've lost your Cash App card, you have the option to temporarily secure it through the app or online. To secure your card through the app, you have to navigate to the card section on your Cash App main screen, activate the lock card feature. So here we're going to discuss about how to enable Cash App card when disabled. So we can do the same method. We can simply navigate to the card section on the Cash App main screen, click on activate the lock card feature, and click on activate feature to unlock the card online. First of all, you have to sign into your Cash App account at cash.app/account and select money on the left hand side of the screen. Now activate the lock card option in the card section on the right. Now, if you see the locked card option in the card section on the right, select unlock your card. You can regain access to your card whenever you choose by using the same steps as mentioned earlier. Your cash PIN will be required to unlock your card. But if that still does not work, you can go and visit the help center of the Cash App. Go to the help or support section in order to contact them officially. Or you can also contact in this number over here and get in touch with the official help desk of Cash App to get help. So this was all about it. This is how you can enable the Cash App card when disabled. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.